Welcome to 7150 Nighthawk out in Crooked River Ranch. This home sits on 5 fully fenced acres. Was built in 1997 as 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,782 square feet with a perimeter block foundation, great mountain views. Close in on the ranch. Just a great piece of property. Nice gate there. If you have pets or livestock to keep them in. And one of the best features is this detached garage. It's oversized and has an unfinished bonus room up above, which could also be made into an ADU if needed. Or some kind of bonus room. So if somebody had extra space requirements, there's this entire area for storage, play, or a living space. The mountain views up here are awesome, as you can see. Just a cool space, would have lots of use. It's great as it is, or again, if you want to make a workshop out here with living space and bonus room. Back of the home has a really nice deck, fenced yard area, little storage up above. Leads into the back of the home there. Little enclosed yard area back here for animals if you like, chickens, your dogs. Just a great property, lots to offer, good location, and ready to go. Now inside the great room area, kitchen. This is kind of the formal dining, living area, depending on how you want to use it. I guess not formal, really just the dining area because it's not walled. This moves into the living room. That is a wood-burning fireplace, beautiful vaulted ceilings, paint's in great shape. The carpet is original. Most of it's in fine condition, but there's some spots that, especially next to the fireplace, that got a little bit worn and could stand to be replaced. All the linoleum's in good shape. Cabinets, countertops, all of that's been nicely redone and is really in beautiful condition. The island with breakfast bar all the way around is really handy. Lots of countertop space. Great views through those windows on a clear day, but it's a little smoky today. The AC units are included in the sale because this home does not have central AC. And with the smoke that we get on occasion and the heat of the summer, it's necessary to have some type of ACs. So the seller is including those with the home, keeps the perfect temperature in here. It's about 72 right now. And it's one of the hottest days of the year. So really doing a good job with the space. And there's another back in the primary bedroom. But the home does have central electric heat, so in the wintertime, that is what keeps the place warm, other than that wood fireplace. King size bed fits there very comfortably. There's that other included unit. Usually a real nice view of the mountains right there, but again, it's a little smoky today. Has a really good size closet. Just a really big walk-in. Nice to have that feature. Storage is always a nice bonus. Don't have to use dressers when you have a closet like that. And then into the bathroom with skylight, double vanity, soaker tub, shower. This has all been redone. There's new flooring in here. It's been repainted, as has most of the inside of the house. It's either been repainted or retouched. Really good sized bathroom. Nice window there for natural light. Hall storage. This bedroom has a nice view out that window. Again, when it's clear. Yes, so there's generally a great view from all these western windows, even in the great room area, dining area. And this bedroom has a nice view onto this private fenced backyard area for your kids or dogs. Kind of more in its natural state, but a nice space nonetheless. Ceiling fans in here too. Good size room for, fits a queen bed very comfortably. Same with this office that's being used. It fits a queen size bed very comfortably. We have the guest bathroom with tub shower combination. And this leads through the utility with utility sink. Fits the washer and dryer very comfortably. Another freezer and the door out back. This connects back to the kitchen. Great room area. Just a fantastic layout. Everything in tip-top shape. AC, good views. Nice square footage. Just an awesome home.